Guys, this is Arsh and you're watching Partner Genix. So today we are going to discuss some Windows tricks. So let's get started. First trick is that when you swipe four fingers to the right or the left from the touchpad, you can easily change the desktop. As you can see here, I'm changing the desktop and this is quite handy. So here's the second one. So in the second one, we just have to take the Windows key and select any number of our choice, which will open any icon of the taskbar. Like if I want to open the fourth Microsoft Edge, I can just click with the tap and then automatically Microsoft Edge will open. And if I want to open File Explorer, I can also select 2 and the File Explorer will open like this. If I want to open Zoom, so I can, like, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So I can click on Windows 7 and automatically Zoom will open in front of us. Is your laptop lagging or hanging? So I have got the solution for you. You just have to click on Control Alt Delete. So this will redirect you to this. So in this you have to click on the Task Manager option. When you click on the Task Manager option, a pop-up will open and this will show you which apps are consuming battery and space. So you can go here and remove the apps which are consuming more battery and storage. Like, you will click on the app and end task from here and it will automatically close the application. So another secret of Windows is that when you click on the Windows key with X, you can have a shortcut which has all secret features of Windows. Now on Windows there is a dark mode also. So I am showing you how can you switch on dark mode. So first we have to right click on the desktop and there will be option named as personalize, and in this option settings will open and you can see there are many modes here. You have to click on the color mode. In this you can toggle between what type of theme do you want, dark theme or light theme or custom. So you can also set custom also and dark theme also, which is a really good option. You are busy doing some work and you don't want to get distracted, so I have got something for you. So when you go from this notification bar, you will find this many options available, and in this there is an option available for focus assist. In this you can either set for priority only, in which you will only get important messages, and alarm only, in which only alarms will be audible, other things will be blocked. So when you do Windows key plus G, there would be a Xbox game bar that will pop up, and this has got many widgets. Like you can see, we have got YouTube game bar overlay, you have got capture, you have got audio, you have got capture, you have got performance, you have got Xbox social, you have got many things, and you can also add widgets. So next is also about Xbox game bar only. You can download widgets from this widget menu. Like, this will open up, and as you can see, you can also, there is a widget store here, and when you open it you will be able to see many downloadable widgets like this analog clock. You can have notes for game bar, you can have Razer, or else you can have ghost overlay for Destiny 2, and there are many more, and you can install them and use with the gaming bar. When you go into this notification bar, you will see that there is a tablet mode in which you can use your touchscreen laptop as a tablet and use it to perform daily functions. As you can see that there are many arrows here, you can use them to navigate through a desktop. So if you have numlock on, then you must switch it off for this to work. So I have got this icon and I can navigate through it. As you can see, I'm not using any mouse or the arrow keys available already, but I can navigate through this. Are some tiles that are live tiles and they consume a lot of internet. I would prefer you to just switch them off, and here's how. You can right click on that app and then you can go for more and select turn live tile off, and this will stop it live tiles, and now it will also save your internet a lot. When you go on the notification bar, there is an option to turn on the night light. From here you can turn on the night light, which will also not harm your eyes. In Windows 10 you can also change the display resolution and adjust according to you and save more battery by reducing the display resolution, and also change the size of the text. In ease of access, under audio, you can turn on mono sound, in which you can hear from the headphone only one plug. Some moments when we have left our headphones in the laptop and someone is speaking on the Zoom call and you are not able to hear, you get to know that the person is speaking, and there is an option of show audio alerts visually, in which whenever somebody speaks, then you will be able to see an alert on your screen and you will get to know that someone is speaking. In ease of access, under cursor and pointer, you can also adjust the size of the cursor, and you can also change how your cursor looks. Like here you can see like there is a black cursor with a white boundary, and you can also have automatic adjustment. When you go on to white, it will turn to black, and when you go to white, it will turn to white. And this is quite handy, and you can also choose which color do you want on the cursor. When you go on gaming and Xbox networking, then you can get the information about what is the latency, what is the packet loss, what is the NAT type and server connectivity. Go into personalize and open fonts, then you will get many fonts that you can directly download and use them as the normal font of your Windows. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video, share to your friends, and this is Harsh signing off, and meet you in the next one.